Today is my first lesson for this channel. Means today all you can remember my channel name Jayanti Vaghela. So my first video it's of chapter English balbharti standard 5 and see like this book it is, and we will start with our unit 1 first chapter what a bird thought. Come now, can we start? 1 2 3 start. What a bird thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, no needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw, one and covered by my mother. One day I floated from the nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew the beyond tree and saw the sea sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you see friends? It's adopted. It's not written by anyone. Means it's adopted. And this is an eagle. That's shown an eagle, but it's bird. See like this way in heading that wrote a bird. But friends, it's eagle. This. Okay, bye.